I'm Charlotte Bellamy, and this is my colleague Ruari Ewing. We're both ex-capital markets lawyers who've been with ICMA since 2013 in my case and 2007 in Ruari's case.
We support ICMA's lead manager constituency that organises bond issues for their borrower clients. These clients can be real economy companies, say a car manufacturer, who need to raise €1 billion swiftly and smoothly.
The banks know the investors and help the issuers find willing buyers for their bonds. Our core focus is straight Euro bonds, but that does stretch a little bit.
More specifically, we support the bank's syndication teams and also their legal transaction management teams.
The syndicate teams are the people in banks who liaise with the other banks on transactions and also with the sales team who interface with investors. And the legal and transaction management teams are the people who are responsible for documentation on transactions.
We also liaise with the bank's internal compliance teams and the bank's external lawyers.
In terms of subject matters, we pretty much cover anything of interest to our members. Bearing in mind that banks on a transaction have to work together as a team, there's quite a lot to agree on and improve mutual understanding on.
General themes since the crisis have been responding to regulatory change, helping the market practices adapt to that change and also to the choppy markets that we've had since the crisis. And we've also been extending our regional coverage.
In terms of specifics, you have book building practices, allocation, prospectus disclosure, market abuse, taxation, to name but a few.
We work through member committees and working groups, and we also liaise with other stakeholders, borrowers, investors, service providers, and of course the authorities.
Our other tools are things such as education courses, public forums, ad hoc publications, and the ICMA quarterly report. We also maintain the ICMA Primary Market Handbook, which sets out recommendations for good market practice, standard documentation, and general guidance for bond transactions.
Overall, we're not short of work.